This is how French fries are made, from farm to food.
Every batch of French fries begins here, in American potato fields.
These are perfect size.
Size and starch matter when potatoes are grown for French fries.
Pass me that crate. Careful with those.
Human hands still play a key role in French fries farming. Only uniform potatoes move forward for French fries. Harvest bins prepare potatoes for their journey to the factory.
Fresh potatoes head straight toward French fries production.
Good texture.
Quality checks begin long before the factory doors.
Conveyors move potatoes efficiently toward processing.
Tons of potatoes leave the farm for French fries factories. The farm is just the first step in making French fries.
Back it up slow.
At the factory, speed and precision take over. Gravity feeds potatoes into the French fries line.
Rinse looks clean.
Washing removes every trace of soil. Technology protects French fries quality.
This is where potatoes become French fries.
Starch control defines crispness.
Flow rate steady.
Heat prepares fries for frying. Partial frying locks in flavor. Freezing preserves freshness.
Batch looks good.
Now, French fries must prove their quality.
Colors within range. Every French fry must meet strict standards. Precision ensures reliable taste.
Crisp is right. Narrator, only approved fries move forward.
Automation guarantees consistency.
Packaging protects freshness. Stacks full.
Why these are the reswide today?
Narration, prepared for nationwide delivery. Cold storage preserves quality. Fries are shipped across the country.
Essa coisa de quem steaks, receita de work in the plain so the
From factory to table.
This is how French fries are made, from farm to food.